Is your DualSense controller stubbornly refusing to connect to your PC, even when it's plugged in? Don't rage quit just yet. I've got you covered with some quick fixes. First, let's tackle the obvious. Make sure your USB cable is actually working. Try a different port on your PC, and even better, try a different USB cable altogether to rule out a faulty connection. Next, check your device manager. Search for Device Manager in Windows search bar. Navigate to Human Interface Devices or Other Devices. If you see a yellow exclamation mark next to the controller, right-click and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, Steam might be interfering. Open Steam, go to Settings, then Controller, and finally, General Controller Settings. Uncheck any boxes related to PlayStation configuration support and restart Steam. Okay, time for a little controller reset. Turn your controller over and you'll see a tiny hole. Use a paperclip or a SIM card ejector tool to gently press the button inside for about 5 seconds. This will reset the controller's Bluetooth and USB connection. If all else fails, consider downloading DS4Windows. It's a free program that tricks your PC into thinking your DualSense is an Xbox controller. And there you have it. Hopefully, one of these fixes got your PS5 controller up and running on your PC. Now get back in the game.